Create a personal development and self-help website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can build your own website for free. So let's get started guys by clicking on the get started button, and here we can browse through a lot of templates which are pre-made templates that can help us building our desired website. So you can just select one of these templates to change some things and adjust some settings, and then we will publish our website to start working with it. So here we can filter the websites by type or by the topic. So you can filter by the online store, portfolio, or memberships, or you can choose topics if you're in the health and beauty niche, or the entertainment, or the real estate and properties, or if you're in the personal development and self-help niche. I don't think they have a niche for that, so let's see if they have it. Health and beauty, so I think it's in the health beauty and in the health and beauty niche. So let's see what we have in here. This is a blank template if you want to build your website from scratch, but for me I'm going to use the ones that already exist in the platform. So here it is. This is the one for us. It talks about introducing Clove and mental health. So let's go with this template, which is Clove template. You can just click on preview to check the template and see if it fits your requirements. Click on view demo site to see the template in full width. So this is the template in full width. As you can see, I think it's a pretty smooth template. It will work for us very much. So I'm going to choose this template. Just click on start with this design, and they will set things up for you. Then they will request a title for our template. You can always skip that step, but for me I'm going to give it a title because I have a lot of templates or a lot of designs in my account. I want to differentiate between my websites, so I don't want to get mixed between my websites. So for every website I give it the name of the niche, and for this one it's personal development and self-help. Then click on continue, and then we close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. And in your left, you will see some sections, so I'm going to explain each one of those. Let's start with website. It's where you can add pages and edit the ones that you already have, or delete if you don't like them. So you can just adjust them from this button, or you can add new ones from this plus button. So let's go back and let's move on to the next section, which is the commerce section. It's where you can control your products, add orders or inventory, customers, set up the ways that you want to get paid with, and set up subscription plans, and a lot more like that. Also you can set other ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next one, which is marketing. So here we have the marketing area, which is pretty obvious for your email campaigns, SEO appearance, pixels and ads, basically everything to grow your audience. Let's go back to home. We also have scheduling, where you can set your availability time and where you can adjust your calendar and give calendar to people to set meetings with you and appointments. Should just wait for them to set things up and everything will be good to go. So just give it a little time, guys. Sometimes the platform becomes a little laggy, but that's okay. If you look to the benefits that this website comes with, it's okay to have little laggage sometimes. So as you can see, it's lagging again, but that's okay. We can accept that. It has more benefits. So here you can create appointment types, set your availability, design your scheduling page, and then share the scheduling page that you designed. And let's go back home. Here we have the asset library section where you can upload your images and files and save them in here till you need them for your design. Then you have the settings where you can change your domains, site availability from private to public, and you can change also the site languages, and you can change the store payments, set your payment processors from your PayPal account to your Stripe account, and you can also change your currency from the store payments. So let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next step, which is the editing phase. So you click on edit and this page will expand to give you more space and to focus on the designing. So it's going to be full width, as you can see, to give us more space, and some add section button will pop up in here, and another one for add block will pop up in this area. So as I said, the add section button if you want to add new sections, and if you want to add a new block, and here if you want to change the site's header, add your logo and change those buttons. And here if you want to edit this section, you can change the background image from background, and here you can change the image you have in the background. You can change also the colors, and you can also change pretty much everything, the text, colors, buttons, if you want it to be sharp like this or if you want it to be round. So you can change pretty much everything. So guys, I make this video to make things easier for you to create your website. So I hope I achieved that. If I had achieved that, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Then share the video with your friends for educating them.